Mamai, doctor, oh hipera, ouch, harana pea doi. Words we hear almost every day. Look after your tinana e te whānau so you can continue playing youngies and oldies. Doing kapahaka, continue running along the waterfront. Okay, well that's not for everybody. We need to be prepared for anything. Our pockets, our bank accounts need to be prepared for anything. So we've teamed up with Health Insurance Ninjas NIB to create the Ngāti Whātua Ora Health Insurance Plan for Ngāti Whātua Ora members. Going live April 4th, 2018. All pre-existing health conditions are accepted for 90 days after 4 April. So let's say if you've already had 3 shoulder surgeries, no problem. You can still get covered from 4 April. Here's how to sign up. Number 1. Make sure you're Ngāti Whātua Ora registered. Number 2. Fill in the online application form and submit. That's it. Mama noi ho. This is Whātua looking out for Whātua. Kia tupu toi, kia tupu ora, a Ngāti Whātua Ora.